What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check RIA transfer status. So, you may be wondering what is currently happening right now with your transfer. You're wondering, does that person already receive your transfer or what you already sent here? Well, there is a way for you to track your transfer here from RIA. So, first things first is you want to visit their official website, which is going to be RIAMoneyTransfer.com, or you can just search this on Google, RIA Money Transfer. You should see the official website for it. But usually on their official website, you should see a track a transfer button or link on it. So you just need to click on it and you just need to provide the necessary details, which in this case, you just need to provide the order number for it or the PIN for it. So in this case, once you've entered your PIN or order number, just click on track transfer. But just in case if you don't know where to get your PIN or order number, go and click on the appropriate link here. So in this case, for online transfers, it's on your confirmation email that you may receive. So in this case, you want to check your email to get your PIN or order number. And also for in-store transfers, it's going to be on the printed receipt that you get or you got. So a digital copy is stored in your online account as well. So if you want to refer to that. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.